7 Effective Methods for Calming Kids' Anxiety During the COVID-19 Pandemic. Easy parenting tips for providing your kids anxiety relief and preventing teen depression caused by coronavirus isolation. Written by Frank Dixon. Narrated by Shawn, Lennox. Introduction. Who would have thought that we would see a day like this? A time when uncertainty walks the streets. A time when we would have to stay indoors for an unknown number of days, stuck with every other family member of the house. A time when all forms of movements would be restricted, and we need a solid reason to leave the house, all while wearing a mask and a pair of gloves. Yes, lockdowns can be scary. They are even scarier for our children who can't cope with the uncertainty. They are missing school, their friends, important milestones like prom and graduation, etc. They don't know when things will get back to normal, or if they ever will. As more and more countries restrict movement to reduce the number of COVID-19 cases, we are left with nothing but to make some drastic changes to our lifestyles and routines. The new reality where adults are bound to work from home and still worry about having a job at the end of this, and children missing social interactions and the casual hustle-bustle of the day, lack of physical contact from relatives, and spending public holidays and celebrations in the vicinity of our homes is strikingly unreal and depressing. We are all living in constant fear of contracting the virus and what will happen if we don't make it. We are worried about our children, about our partners who have to go to the office a couple of days in the week, and about the elders in the family who are the most susceptible to contracting it. Add to that the effect all of this has on our and our children's mental and emotional health. As parents, we have to watch out for our family. We have to ensure that we keep them safe. We have to abide by the safety measures set by the government and avoid unnecessary outings to risk bringing the virus back home with us. We have to work on our immune systems and prepare ourselves for countering any viruses and seasonal diseases, such as common cold, flu, fever, and cough. Most importantly, we have to gear up to offer our children, especially teenagers, the emotional support they need in a time of crisis like this, and ensure that they don't become too anxious, worried, or depressed about the pandemic. In this guide, we shall talk about the methods and effective tools that parents can use to prevent anxiety in children and counter negativity. We shall look at ways of how to prevent depression from setting in when our kids practice social distancing from their friends and partners. Chapter 1. Anxiety and Teen Depression During COVID-19. Social distancing.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?